ready now. Get ready.
Presto, do it like that now, tempo. Bump up that BPM and let's go. Looking so fresh, so retro. Ain't seen nothing like this, nah. So fantastical, super. Welcome to the brand new future. Looking like a primetime feature. I'm the #1 leader. I got that something, I got that something, whoa. I got that one thing, I got that one thing, whoa.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here. Y'all know I'm always bringing y'all the goods, and today is no different. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve max hydration and curl definition, and the brand that I'm going to be showing you all today is Black owned. Look at this beautiful queen right here. She created all of this goodness. So go ahead and like this video now just for that alone. And y'all, it's the details for me. When I opened up the box, it said smile more, worry less. It's going to be a great hair day, and it definitely is. I have so much good stuff to show y'all. So let's get to it. So this brand is called Heat Free Hair. If you guys have not heard of them, then y'all should definitely check them out. They have such great quality hair. This is their 4 Kurls headband wig, and y'all know I love a good headband wig, so I was so excited to see this one right out of the package. Like, look at this curl definition already. Look at this luster already. I mean, get into it. I got mine in lift 24, but they offer this unit in so many different lengths. They have different textures and everything, and I love that not only do they offer amazing, great quality extensions and wigs, but they also offer a system to help you to maintain those wigs, which I'm going to show you all later. You're going to have the ultimate moisture, and your curl poppage, I don't even know if that's a word, is going to be on another level. If you've ever experienced dry, matted, unruly hair extensions, then I got y'all. Heat Free Hair recently launched a perfect extension kit to get your wigs and your natural hair all the way together. I'm gonna get into the products in a moment, but I wanted to show you guys this curl brush. Every natural knows that your routine is not complete without a good detangling brush, but this one is a brush that does it all. This is a high definition brush that can be used to detangle and to define. So it's dual-sided, and the cool thing is that you can not only use it for your extensions, but you can also use it on your natural hair. I used it to detangle my natural hair the other day during wash day, and y'all, it is so good. I was like, oh my goodness, it was just melting my tangles away. And you also don't have to be confused about the function of each side because it's labeled easily for you, which is so great. And you already know what time it is. I can never wait to try on my wigs, especially my natural hair wigs. So I'm going to try this one on, and I will show you guys how I slick my hair down later on in the video, so you all be sure to watch the end. This video is just packed with so many goodies. Did y'all just see how easy that was? I don't know about y'all, but headband wigs just do it for me. They are so easy, and this one is stunning. So right now I'm doing something that I would never advise, but this brush is just everything, and its hair is everything. So I wanted to test out the brush on dry hair, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm using this curl brush in order to detangle the hair, and I'm showing you guys how easy it is to do with this phenomenal detangling brush. Like, it is awesome. It just glides through the strands so nicely, and the hair is so great. And again, you can do this on your natural hair and your extensions. Because the teeth are so widespread and the quality of this brush is so good, you could actually use this on dry natural hair as well. So if you ever needed to detangle your dry natural hair to achieve a twist out or whatever the case may be, you could use this brush to do that. So that is just amazing. And y'all, when I actually detangled it fully, I was like, oh my goodness, this is a lot of hair. But let me know, would y'all rock it like this? I think it's kind of cute, but I'm not sure. It could be a vibe. Let me know. But right now I'm going to show you guys how to achieve maximum hydration. We're going to go through the 4-step process, get these curls popping. So let's do this. Again, this is a system that can be used for your wavy/curly textures. The first step in the process is their shampoo. It's called the Fresh Kept Secret Restorative Shampoo. This product is so cool. Finally, a shampoo that's gentle enough for our natural hair extensions. Y'all know I generally only co-wash my unit, so having a shampoo that's not only clarifying, but it's also sulfate free, and it's not going to strip my hair, is going to be such a great addition to my routine. So now that the hair is all clean, it's time to condition, and we're going to be using their conditioner, which is called New Condition, and this is their 3-in-1 hydrating conditioner, which is going to give you the ultimate slip, and it's going to create such softness in the hair, and it's going to allow you to easily detangle the hair.
Hey, you gon' be who you gon' be, yeah, as long as you grind it for real.
so I can make it rain. Yeah, trying to climb the mountain top so I can be the change. Whoa, you don't know the pain, no, you don't know the game, no, you don't know what I've been through. This is more than fame. Moving cause I gotta get it, yeah, you know I'm super focused. You might not see it now, but soon you gon' notice. Yeah, when I take an L, swim through it like I'm Billy Ocean. Yeah, I'm a boss, so I gotta get it by any means. Like, oh yeah, check the drip on my coat, yeah. You know I'm in, I float, yeah. Cali hot, but I'm cold, yeah. Got Kevin topping, no jokes, and you don't want no smoke, yeah. Soon enough you gon' know, yeah. Soon enough you gon' know, yeah. You gon' know, yeah, yeah.
The detangling process was so easy with this conditioner and detangling brush. So now we're gonna move on to the last 2 steps in the process. But before we do, I'm gonna shape the hair. I always like to shape my natural hair extensions. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and then we'll move on to the next steps.
Don't wanna be the nice guy, oh Lord. So sick of it, you're so great, but it can't be you. So over the phone calls about a new man that you brought around in the last few weeks. Now lie once again and say I'm happy for you. Oh, baby, I know what's wrong from right, and what's wrong isn't me that really believes that there won't be shared tonight. Cause we'll end up lonely, yeah, it's me the nice guy. Know you so I try, seems like bad guys run the world and all the girls give me goodbyes. Hi, it's me the nice guy. I text back, no reply. My love can stop the storm and keep you warm from the inside. Hi, it's me the nice guy.
Y'all, shaping the hair just takes it to a whole other level. Don't y'all agree? So the next step in the process is called Prime Style, and this is their high gloss formula, and it's recommended to apply this before and after applying the styler, which I'm gonna get to in a moment. This product creates a really nice shine, and it smells so good. Actually, all the products smell amazing. So you just wanna spray this all over your hair to prep your curls for the styler, and this is gonna help to lock in moisture. Like, y'all, do you see how hydrated this hair looks already? This is next level. So the next step in the process is their Curl Whip Styler. This is a defining mousse that you're going to use alongside the curl brush to define and create the perfect curl definition and bounce.
In a fool, but he makes it feel like it's only you. Anybody will realize love with no boundaries that teaches you to find peace. Yeah, I know what's wrong from right, and what's wrong isn't me that really believes that there won't be shared tonight. Cause we'll end up lonely, yeah, it's me the nice guy. Know you so I trust, he's like bad guys run the world and all the girls give me goodbyes. Hi, it's me the nice guy. I text back, no reply. My love can stop the storm and keep you warm from the inside. Hi, it's me the nice guy. Driving to your place at night, I won't do that no more. No more blowing up your phone, I ain't doing that at all. No more driving to your place at night, I won't do that no more.
Alright, so now I'm going to quickly show you guys my natural hair wig prep. I did decide to do a side part this time, but you can also wear it with the middle part, and that would be really cute. yes, my edges are laid and my hair is about to be slayed. The curls are popping on this unit. This is the next day. I did allow it to air dry overnight, but you can certainly diffuse the curls if you don't have a lot of time on your hands. So now it's time to install this headband wig, and I cannot wait. This is definitely one of my favorite headband wigs to date. This hair looks absolutely phenomenal. Now the install for this particular unit is so easy. There's no glue, no gel that's necessary. You're actually just going to insert the combs. You can insert the comb at the top and the one at the bottom. I didn't decide to do the one at the top, but I am going to secure the back where the Velcro meets. I'm just going to connect that and you're done. If you're somebody who doesn't know how to install a wig, if you're a beginner, this is the wig construction for you. So right now I'm just going to give you all a full spin of what the hair looks like before actually fluffing it. It's so defined. It looks so shiny. It's so beautiful. After doing this, I'm going to fluff it and then I'm going to show you all the finished results.
I'm having the time of my life. Everything is going alright. Ooh, I just made them look twice. This is how it feels when you living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. Good, good life. I'ma do me, I can't do it no different. Gold shades tinted, yeah, I got the right vision, yeah. I won't let you down, we about to paint the town. Got the people all around, we been surfing on the crown, yeah. We them cool kids with the roof down, yeah, we let loose, so lighten up, break the rules now. Yeah, we wild out the house with the tunes loud. On top of the clouds, looking round. Yo, how we ever getting down? Oh, I'm just going with the flow. Hey, you just gotta let me know. I think that it's about that time to go. One time for the gram, no. Go ahead, straight to pole.
Alright y'all, that's the end of this tutorial. I would highly recommend checking out all of the products that I mentioned in this video. Heat-free hair is such great quality hair. The product line and everything is so good for our natural hair extensions. I was so impressed by everything. I'll leave all the links and specifications down below in the description box. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. I cannot wait to hear what you all think about this whole system and the hair itself. Y'all, it's everything. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Like, share, comment, all that good stuff. And I will see you all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.
I'm having the time of my life.